Hi, it's Meg here, and I'm starting the mini book for the poppy papers. And I've cut for the cover. It is 7 high, which is what the papers are, and it's 4.5, 2 inches, and 4.5. So you're cutting off an inch here. And I've scored them for the 2 inches in the middle, and I'm going to fold it over. And when you fold it, and I'll give you some hints as I go, and if you already know them, don't worry about it. But what I want to do is line it up right at the top here. And then put the score in there, and the same thing for the other side. Didn't score that one as well, but here we go, and we're lining it up at the top there, and I guess you burnish the score in. Now, this is our cover. I've chosen 2 inches because it gives you a lot of latitude in terms of what you put inside. 1 inch is a very small book. 1.5 is usually a good size if you're just making a small one, but 2 inches is really good, and I'll show you a couple of old ones that work. Also a 2-inch spine, and it gives us actually 2 made with cardstock, but inside we can do another little one. So if we want to do little ones in the middle, you can do that with a 2-inch spine. And this is another one. And this one is done with the pages being, and you could do that if you want, but again, you've got room to do extra stuff in the middle. You may not decide to do that. The tabs that will attach to the front cover. I want to flatten them out. The more you do this, the better your book will sit. So you need to invest a bit of time in the beginning. And we've got these 2, and because we don't have any, we have to cut the corners. And it doesn't matter that you make them perfectly triangles, but you do need to get them right up to the top. And you can always, if you've got a pair of small scissors, you can always attack them later. Now I'm going to put those aside. Now I'm attaching the 2 pieces that I've cut to the main cover, and I've attached the tape, and I like to put it so that it's all the way to the edge, and then try and get it as close as you can to the edge before you attach it. Okay. And okay. And we've lined it up. And that's pretty good. Now, we've got a bit of an overlap here, but the scissors will take care of that. And underlap doesn't matter. Now we've got this piece. Cover and P1 and P2s. But we're going to be adding two other little books on the original 2-inch spine. And we've got, these are 4 1/4, whereas these were 4 1/2, because we want just a bit of room so that this will open up and it won't get caught up on anything that's in here.